How to add your favorite music to your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and on here just click these 3 points and click edit profile. Scroll all the way down until you find this one, interests. Now scroll now here you will find it, favorite profile, favorite music. Just type any music you want here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.